What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Today I am working on my car, and I think FedEx is going to be pulling up. So the cool thing is we have two things that's coming today. One of them I'm super excited. I didn't even know that it was coming today. And one of them I knew was coming today. Number one, the first thing I knew that was coming today, that we're going to be installing in the car for the performance and also for the engine. We're going to be taking out this intake, and we're going to be putting in the engine technology intake into the car to give the car better torque, better horsepower, and just much better on the engine. Engine technology is definitely a brand I definitely love. I had them in my Honda Civic, the Red Civic. So we're going to be replacing this today. And also the biggest thing, I didn't even know that was coming today. I thought it was supposed to be coming by next week. It's actually the headlights. So we got two assignments to do today. I'm doing this by myself. So I'm learning this thing out, learning my car and taking more pride with it. So like I said, we're going to be taking out the intake, and we're going to be taking the bumper off to replace the new lights that's coming today. So this is going to be the whole project for today. So I'm going to take the bumper off, and then intake going to be coming. So we got ourselves a little project. I'm just so excited because I can get these nasty, ugly, disgusting things off my car, and then I can put in some new clear bust down ones, and I can finally take a good photo of my car. Taking photos with these things on, it just don't look right. So as soon as they pull up, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then I'm gonna start actually working on taking the bumper off and everything. I'm gonna try to record it, but it's just me by myself. So we got a long day to go, and it's crazy. I'm doing shit for my first time by myself. This is gonna be interesting. But right now, what I really want to do is, right now I'm actually cleaning this down. I just want to clean certain little things in here because it's a little dusty in here. So I want to have like a more of a decent engine bay, what you want to call it. But I'm just going to wipe down this whole little area, make it a little more presentable, cleaner, and just wipe down certain things. And just got to wait for the new intake headlights. I'm excited. This is amazing. I can't wait. I cannot freaking wait. And then tomorrow we have the Nismo wing. We got a lot of stuff coming. We got the Nismo wing coming tomorrow that I know of. And I have a few more other things. Just stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I finally took off the bumper. This is the first step into doing everything right. So the bumper's over there. Actually, I'm thinking about, I might add up my splitter. My custom splitter that I created. I'm going to see how it will look. So the splitter I made with my splitter that I made for my Lexus, I'm gonna see how it look if I add it onto this car. And since I got a lip already, it might be dope. We might make something happen. But like I said though, I'm gonna test out that splitter that I created for the Lexus and see how it looks with this. Oh, that'd probably be super awesome. So yeah, let's look at this car. So right now I took off the bumper. This is the number one thing you need to do in order to change out the headlights. So once the headlights get here, once the guys drop it off, I'll be able to take it out as I go. This is my first time ever doing this type of assignment. I heard there's some bolts somewhere here, I think back here. We'll figure it out. But once I figure out, I'm gonna have to look at some YouTube videos, but once I figure out how to take the headlights off, then I'll let you guys know exactly what I did. But the main thing that's a nightmare for taking off the bumpers is the side, these right here. The bolt that goes, right like up in, wait, I don't know. Basically, like the side area is the hardest area to take off with the bumper. That's why most people use the quick release, where you can like bolt something right here and it bumps on the bumper right here. and then use a little string because it's just easier to take off and on, which I'm going to most likely just order very soon. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. See the fluids and stuff like that. So checking everything out. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Fun fact. Lately, the last video and this video, I keep saying super excited. So take a shot of alcohol every time I say super excited. I just caught that. I really just caught that. I was watching some of my videos and I noticed right now I keep saying super excited. I'm super excited. Take a shot on me. Take a shot on me. But yeah. So like in this video, like I said, we're going to be taking out the headlights and we're going to be taking out this intake. I'm going to replace it with the engine technology intake. So today I will be having both. I don't know when they're coming. Right now it is 11 o'clock, so we got time today. So as soon as they get here, I'll be able to get started. What I'm going to do is, for the time being, I'm just going to take out the headlights right now. So therefore, when the new ones come, I can just put them on and go from there. And then I hate how my ears be looking when I put these things on. But anyways, yeah, so everything looks cool. And let's go from there. I'm very, very proud of myself. I took out the headlights. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So I took this one out. If you guys look at it, I got one more to go. And yeah, and the crazy thing is, I didn't even look on YouTube. I actually just took it out because I did put LED lights on my Civic, even though it's totally different. But I just put my common sense together and kind of thought of it. Very simple to remove. So these are finally out. I got one more to go. And then waiting for the new lights to pull up and we can assemble it. I'm excited. So I'm very proud of myself, man. I'm doing this by myself. Usually I always have friends or someone to help me do all this, but it's good. So as you guys can see, this is the main thing that's super annoying and challenging, taking out these lights, but it was cool. Easy. All right, y'all, so we finally got the engine technology intake finally came in. So now we're gonna put this intake inside of there, get rid of that car, man, there. So good. All right, have a blessed one, bro. All right, good guy, man. He always send me my packages every time. So we do got the engine technology. Now we can finally put the intake in. I'm gonna have to take this out. Hopefully I don't have to take this out, because yeah, I'm gonna try to find a way to go around this. But we should be good. Guys, we finally got it, man. Finally got it. Shout out to Engine Technology. I appreciate you guys for sending this, man. You guys always come through every time. Last time I got one was for the Civic, the red Civic, the Flash. Now I finally got the Engine Technology for the Beast. Now, the name for this car is called the Beast. A lot of you guys may not notice, and some of you guys may notice. The Beast is considered the Beast from X-Men, the Blue Beast, you know what I'm saying? I'll put a picture up here right now. But yeah, so I'm naming this car the Beast because I'm gonna use a lot of blue on this car. I'm gonna keep it mainly white or black. And yeah, it's gonna get crazy, but we gotta install this now. And let's see how it looks in the box. I'm not gonna lie, my splitter actually looks freaking good with the Z. I'm about to make it happen. This looks good, man. My custom splitter, my Motor Society performance splitter that I made for the Lexus. Now we can put it on with this back boy right here. I think it looks super aggressive. Add that to there. We are knocking shit out the way. I'm hella happy. Now I got me a splitter for that. Boom. Then we're gonna put the engine technology in, and we still waiting for the headlights to pull up. And we got ourselves a good thing to go. So let me figure out what I'm going to do. I gotta get some stuff for that. Drill that in, and we are in the door, man. Let's see. Oh no! All right, pry this away, and here it goes, man. Oh man! Woo! Filter part. All this. Oh man! Legal, baby. Yes. All right. So I got everything I need. And check it out, carb legal. This is what you need in order to get your car smaller than anything. And we are good to go, baby. Let me show you guys how it looks outside the box. This is insane. Still got the sparkles in it. Oh my gosh, I'm hella happy right now. This is so nice. It's time to get this thing installed in the car. And yes, sir. Let's get it going. So now I got this intake that was installed by the previous owner. Took it out right here. So now I got to get this engine technology built in it and ready to go. So let's put that here, and I got to assemble the first step that you want to do when you're installing your engine technology intake. You want to put this the plastic rubber thing on top of the throttle body, and then you want to have two latches that comes with it. One is right here, and then we're gonna put a second one right on here. First, I'm gonna tighten this one up, and then I'll do the second step is to put another one on here until we put the next part inside, and then we're gonna make it tighter. So let's get the second. So when I put this in, this is gonna go in there, right? And the latch is gonna connect, that second latch is gonna connect them together. And make sure that you use this part right there. We're gonna connect it to this part right here, and then we're gonna make it tight. So I'm gonna do that right now and show you. All right, so for this one, what I did is I'm basically I connect this part onto here. That's where I get the clamp. I'm gonna put over that. Make sure you take the old sensor, you put them right here, then you attach this onto that. And I actually make mine go down here, because you can either do it two ways from the video I seen. Some people have it go this way by the wheel, but I'm putting mine in front of the bumper. So it's gonna wrap down like that, and there we go. All right, so I finally did the first step. I installed my intake right there. Did it all by myself, so I'm real proud about it. So you guys see it goes like this. Goes all the way down, and I put it all over right here. I wanted it in front of the grill and behind the bumper. So I got everything set up. So now I got to get this part mounted here. So I got to take this off the old one, put it there, and we should be good. And then also we're going to be working on this right here. I'm going to be adding my custom splitter that I created, and we're going to be putting it onto this bumper. I'm just going to hold on to this bumper for a little bit, but I'm end up replacing this bumper, and I got a special treat on what I'm going to be doing. And you know what? I'm not going to say. Just wait for it. Install my first time ever by myself with no assistance. I did my first engine technology intake, any intake. This is my first time. If you guys watch my previous videos, I always have people help me, my friends, but I finally did this by myself. It came out good. Everything is secure. Everything is good. And now the best thing I got is the headlights just came in. Oh my gosh, man, look at that thing right there. Oh shit, beautiful lights. So now I'm replacing them with them boo-boo ones right there. Let me show you the new headlights. Look at the difference, that to that. So now I have two new headlights. Now I gotta just install it, plug it up, and we are all good. Let's go. All right, y'all. So unfortunately, something had happened. Everything went well. I'm glad that the intake came. I'm glad that the headlights came. I was able to get the headlights, and I was able to get the intake. But the thing is, what happened was the headlights that we got. So like basically the stock headlights that comes with the car, when you take them off to swap them out, they are they have 8 pins. The headlights that we had got, which were super nice, but they only had 6 pins. So with that being said, that's the issue. I can't hook the 6 pin up to my car because my car requires an 8 pin headlights. But there were people on YouTube that basically converted their they converted their 8 to a 6 pin, but on my car it doesn't take 6 pins. So watching 2 of the videos I found to convert the headlights pins, they're both the same videos. It wasn't like the opposite way around, because the new headlights got to be converted to an 8 pin, but it only have 6 pin, and my car can only take 8 pins. So yeah, it was just irritating. So kind of just got disappointed, because those headlights are freaking disgusting. Unfortunately, I gotta figure out another way, try to get them returned back, or just trying to figure out another thing, or order some other ones, because there were people online on YouTube that did it, but like I said, it was the opposite way around. They was trying to do the opposite. They were trying to go from a 6 to an 8. I mean, they were trying to go from an 8 to a 6, so it's just backwards, and I need to know what. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, it's a little irritating. Just a delay. So right now I got my car under the cover, because just to keep it hidden right now. Then I have to basically figure this shit out, man. And that's something with cars. It's like it's always good and it's always bad. It's always something happens, you know what I'm saying? But cool thing is I have 2 cars, which is a blessing. And tomorrow I will be getting my tire letterings. I'll be getting my spoiler. So I get a lot of stuff with this car starting tomorrow. So we got more modifications. So I'm just a little disappointed, but at the end of the day, you know, it's gonna work out. You know what I'm saying? I just want to, that's the number one thing that bothers me about the car. Nothing else. It's just the headlights. But we will get it done. But thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned some stuff. You know, it's just me doing my own thing on my car, so it's kind of hard to have somebody to record me and stuff. But I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm going to try to get back to the game strategy, try to figure out a way, because there is a way to kind of convert them. I just don't know nothing about none of that wiring. But I'm going to figure something out, y'all. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay positive, stay motivated. Thank you guys for everything, for all the support. Make sure you guys smash the thumbs up, because I'm dropping straight content. Like, who's doing it? You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys have a blessed one. We are out. Girl got 2 cars.